When buyers ask if China is stable, I say stability isn't a promise, it's a system. We are a China-based maker, and we lean on three things. First, density. In one area, the full chain is closed. Paper, printing suppliers, dyers, boxes, and shipping. Fewer steps mean fewer weak spots. And when you need a change, we can switch faster. Second, backups. We do not bet on one option. We keep two sources for key steps and backup lines when it counts. And because we run China Cambodia sites, we can move work if we have to. Third, response speed. If something is off, you should get answers in 24 or 48 hours. Root cause, creative action, preventive actions. Try the route and key line setting. So stability is easy to check. Standard shipping time, backup plans, and how fast issues get closed. What's the biggest risk in your supply chain right now?
Line paper, you design, we deliver.